It looks painful, but this is important preparation for hunting, priming their ears to maximize their sensitive hearing. Some more thorough than others. Next, it's time to hunt. Each night, Tarsiers must eat 1/10 of their body weight in insects. From the safety of his home tree, the 5-week-old watches on as the adults hunt. There's lots to learn. He must master his satellite dish ears, moving each one independently to pick up tiny sounds in the dark. Next, his huge light bucket eyes. He must learn to tilt his head to judge distance. And there's one final lesson. At family mealtimes, it's first come, first served. It's time for the family to venture deeper into the forest. 1 in 5 Tarsier babies are lost in their first month.